This is 1965 Dodge Coronet 440 hardtop. Very nice, white with red trim here. Black vinyl top. That ingenious C-pillar there in the back. Looks like original wheels. And we've got red pinstriping and very nice red interior. Now this would be the first year without the push button control of the TorqueFlite transmission. So control would be via the right there on the steering column. And notice the air conditioning unit under the dash. When we go forward, we'll see that there have been other changes. The original V8 was replaced by a 440 cubic inch engine. So that's what's here under the hood, and very nice installation. Looks very nice. I'm sure this car could surprise many at the stoplight with that 440 under the hood. Very nice styling. And of course this was placed as kind of a mid-sized car. The 880 and eventually the Polara would all occupy the space of the full-size Dodge, although this is a pretty big car. The tail lights are fit right into that rear quarter there. Very nice. And Dodge really had a good handle on styling at this point. It fit right in with all the other cars available at this point. It wasn't outrageous or have features that would be off-putting. In fact, it was a very strong car. TorqueFlite was renowned for its durability, and its engines were renowned as being very dependable. So it was a very, very good offering in 1965.